In the bustling city of Viridian, whispers of an ancient curse echoed through the cobblestone streets. Ava, a young enchantress burdened with the gift of foresight, stumbled upon a cryptic prophecy foretelling doom and salvation entwined in the tapestry of fate. Amidst the shadows, she encountered Asher, a brooding mercenary with a haunted past. Drawn together by a force beyond their comprehension, they embarked on a perilous journey to unravel the mysteries shrouding their world. As they delved deeper into the enigma, sparks ignited between them, defying the darkness threatening to consume everything they held dear. Yet, a sinister presence lurked in the shadows, orchestrating a malevolent scheme to plunge Viridian into eternal night. With time running out, Ava and Asher must confront their deepest fears and embrace the power of their connection to defy destiny itself. In a climactic showdown against ancient evils, they discover that love is the ultimate weapon against the encroaching darkness, forging a bond stronger than any curse.